Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our YouTube channel, and we are going to review another product from Warrior Plus today. It's called Zest. It's going to be launched on 11th of June 2021, and this is going to be a very tricky review, so make sure you stick till the end because there are pros and cons of this software, and we'll cover the technical parts of the software first, so make sure you just stick till the end. Now let's cover the bullet points. Right at the top it says one click activates autopilot campaigns and sends 100 plus hot buyers to them in 24 seconds. And then it says we bank $724, so it's $724 per day with this app. So first line, this is a lie. Okay, so this 724 is a lie. 100 plus hot buyer visitors per campaign, God knows if that's true or not. Newbies already getting results. So this software is definitely not newbie friendly. So I'm again saying it's not newbie friendly. I'll show you inside the dashboard in a moment. So first line is a lie that it's making $724 a day. It might be making them this much of money because they're selling this kind of software to people. So yes, they might be getting this kind of money, but you will not make any money with this software. I will tell you exactly how this works. So right now I'm not saying it's a scam because it has certain features inside the dashboard. So if you consider this thing only as a piece of software which you want to use to fulfill your tasks, like create web pages and do multitasking, so in that perspective this software is okay to use. But when it comes to the part where it claims that you are going to make some money with this software, then I have serious problems with that. So we'll cover both the perspectives in a moment. Let's go through their website first. So right now it says grab Zest for only $17. Now $17 is a price which is acceptable if it is only a software which will help you to do certain tasks. But if it says that it's a system which is going to make money, then there are a lot of problems there, because no system can make money or help you to make money online, and that system cannot be available in just 17 bucks. So definitely do not consider this review or do not consider this software if you are trying to make some money online. So if you are in the mindset that buying this software will get you rich or this will help you to make money, so get that thing out of your head, because this software or any other software on the internet, no software or no website will help you to make money, not at all. And even if something does, then you will only make a little piece of money, or it will be just like you will be in minus. You will be spending more and earning less, so you will never be in profit. So this is how this software is going to work. Now let's go further down. It's all the same thing which you see here. All those these are fake money screenshots, and this amount is just copy and pasted from Google. You can paste it on your website. It's all fake, right? So all the website looks all the same which you have on the Warrior Plus products, so it's nothing different. Now let's take a look at the profile of this owner. So it's coming from Digital Page Design. So these people have launched this product. They have launched other products in the past, and they have made hell lot of sales. They have made 2,000 sales, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. So they have made a lot of money on Warrior Plus in the past. So you can say they have been launching products for a long time and they had been making sales. So they are rich. They have done a lot of sales, okay? And even they will do the sale even with this software from 11th of June because people will buy it, all right? Because you need to understand two perspectives. If you're trying to make some money online, this is not the software you want. So don't buy if you're trying to make money online. But if you want to have certain features which you would like to access, then you can definitely buy the software. And then we have these, this is the dashboard. We are inside the dashboard right now, and it's not newbie friendly, okay? So there will be a lot of things in this dashboard you will not be able to operate or will not have any idea about. And I did not find any video tutorial inside the dashboard, so there's no video training here. But if you go to the left side, the first option is dashboard. So let's click on it and let's find out what do we have here. So I think here you can add your affiliate pages from JVZoo, from ClickBank, from Warrior Plus. So you need to actually if you have approved products from those platforms, you grab the links and you sync them here, or you attach them here. And then you have affiliate offer search from Zoo deals and all that. And then have affiliate campaign page, create new. That means you put in a campaign name, you provide your affiliate link here, and they will give you a page hosted, and then you'll have to get the traffic to that page. It's not that simple, because at the end, your train stops when it comes to getting traffic to your website. So everything is okay. You have beautiful page, you have your affiliate links ready, you have everything good to go, you have taken the bath, you have use your perfume, you're good to go, but you have no traffic. So everything will get stuck. You have when you get no traffic to your affiliate pages, because then you will make no sales. So this is again, let's come to the social blast part here, because this is the inbuilt traffic source, which I have told you again, that they will ask you to spam Facebook, they'll ask you to spam all these things on the internet, and eventually you will get free traffic. That's what they're claiming. I'm saying you will get no free traffic, no nothing. You will make no sales. So if you're thinking this software as a money-making machine, don't waste your money, don't waste your time. If you're thinking the software as an automated process, then you can definitely buy. So if you want to post links or things on Facebook or Instagram using this software, so you can do that without logging into Facebook. So you can post images, pictures, videos on Facebook using this software automatically. All you have to do is link your Facebook and Instagram account, and they can automate the posting for you on the social media websites. But I don't see any other role of this software, and especially in terms of making money, it's zero. So decide for yourself, what do you want to do. If you want to buy this software only for some technical aspects, like posting things on Facebook, posting things on LinkedIn, Quora, and all that, then you can go for the software, okay? But if you have in your mind that you are going to make some money with this software, that's a big no. Don't buy it, all right? So I don't really invest so much time on these kind of products, because these are not worth products. So if you really want to buy it, go ahead for that, no problem with me. Just go ahead and buy, but you will not make any money with this software, okay? So keep that thing in your mind. For technical purposes, you can use it, but for money making purposes, it's not gonna work. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with you shortly with another review video. Thank you.